Can you imagine if we could discover what it is in meat that we as humans find irresistible and recreate it, improve it, make it more delicious and more nutritious and environmentally sustainable?
What we need to look at is developing protein alternatives, and we're going to hear a lot about that, or you've heard a lot about that at this conference already, and developing new means for producing meat, and that's what I want to focus on for now.
So together, we're interested in how specific food structures or material properties can impact protein choice in consumers. And as we continue to innovate in this space, the data from consumers is so critical to move these products forward.
So this is an entire barbecue spread, all plant-based, and any meat eater would be excited to eat it because Jacob and I are meat eaters. And Correct. We love it, and we're gonna eat this after.
If you would close your eyes, you would never know that it's not meat. So,
obviously, this requires no livestock, little land use, and much less emissions. So we can say with certainty that this will definitely be environmentally feasible compared to like current meat production.
We're selling cultivated fat as a B2B ingredient to the meat alternatives industry, starting with plant-based meat, so that we can finally make meat alternatives that look, cook, and taste just as good as the real thing, if not even better.